In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Hello, before we play Hall of Fame on our violin, don't forget to tighten your bow using the screw on the end, making sure that the hairs are nice and tight with a little curve in the stick of your bow, and to place some rosin onto the hairs of your bow. Once you've done that, don't forget to place the sponge onto the back of your violin. You may wish to pause the video now to do this. Great. We are now going to have a look at some warm-ups that will help us to learn Hall of Fame on the violin. So when you hold up your violin, make sure you've got a nice V shape here. We are only using 3 open strings, the open G, the open D and the open A, with G being our lowest string on the violin. We do not need to use our left hand, so you can rest your hand onto the body of your violin like I am now. Try and copy what I play. I'm going to play G with a down bow, and then I'm going to rock my bow to the D string with an up bow. G and then D. You try it. G and D. Have a go at now trying to rock your bow from G to D 4 times like this. G, D, G, D. Pause the video to practice changing from G to D with down and up bows. Once you have done this, try and play D to A. The same pattern, D as a down bow and A as an up bow. D to A. When you do this, try and make sure that you've got a nice smooth sound and that you are not lifting your bow off the strings. Pause the video to practice playing D to A few times now. To help us learn the violin part in Hall of Fame, we're going to use some words to help us learn the rhythm. These are "we are the best." Try and join in with me after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Again, we are the best. We're going to try and play that on our violins. If you want to pause the video now to practice clapping and saying the rhythm, that is absolutely fine. Once you have your violin, make sure you're holding your violin up and you can rest your hand on the body of the violin as we're only using the open strings. Place your bow onto the D before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Let's try that one more time. Bow on your D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. We play this 4 times through at the start. So get ready, bow on your D after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the best. Again. We are the best. We are the best. Last time. We are the best. Feel free to pause the video now to practice this and try and make sure you're using nice long bows and that the notes are really smooth. Well done.
One, two, three, 4.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.